In the Biomimetic Innovation Lab, the episode follows how slime molds solve mazes and map efficient routes through networks. Nature posed the challenge of connecting scattered food sources into a single, optimized plan without a brain. By observing growth patterns and path selection, researchers designed decentralized routing algorithms that adapt to failures and shifting demand. The resulting technology is a robust, self-organizing network protocol for energy grids and data centers that reduces waste and increases resilience. This crossover from biology to engineering could cut outages and emissions while empowering communities and cities.